Cod liver salad is very easy to prepare. It's very delicious and I will show to you how to serve it beautifully. So, let's get started. Prepare 200 grams of cod liver. Mash it with a fork. When it's all mashed finely, leave it on the side. And cut a quarter of red onion very finely. Place it on a plate. That will be your first layer of salad. The second layer of salad will be boiled potatoes grated on a large grater. Flatten the grated potato with a fork. And place the mashed cod liver on top of the potatoes. Separate yolks and whites. Leave yolks on the side and grate the whites on a big grater, and that will be your next layer of salad. Flatten the whites with a fork and spread this layer with 1-2 tablespoons of mayo. Now, using a small grater, grate the yolks on top. Try to make this layer as evenly as possible. Now comes the fun part. Let's decorate. For this, I will use a squeeze bottle. You can use a piping bag. Place the mayo inside and start making the lines on top of the yolk layer. Try to make the lines as straight as possible. Cut the olives in 4 pieces and place each of them in a little square. The olives will represent the sunflower seeds. And the Pringle Chips will represent the sunflower petals. This salad is very delicious, and such a beautiful presentation will decorate any table for any occasion. Enjoy! Thank you for visiting Katya's Kitchen. Come back again for simple and delicious recipes.